Planting more trees is crucial for several reasons. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen, provide habitat for diverse wildlife, prevent soil erosion, and contribute to overall environmental balance. Additionally, they enhance biodiversity, offer shade, and improve air and water quality. Planning and implementing tree planting initiatives are essential for sustainable ecosystem and combating climate change.